Hello, welcome to this presentation of Amazon Exchange. My name is Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to import Amazon orders and fees into Sage. Amazon Exchange is a program that allows you to synchronize data between Amazon and Sage in terms of order fulfillment and also accounting for the fees that they charge for their services. It reduces data entry and errors and helps improve operational efficiency. It also provides key financial reports for management. All the data is stored in one place, which means it avoids having silos in different parts of the organization. The import is done using the Excel to Sage Swiss Army knife, which has over 30 other Sage imports, so you could use those for making other parts of your business more efficient as well. So in this presentation, I'm going to show you how to import orders and fees from Amazon into Sage. So here's the desktop. Let me just click on the Amazon orders to bring those in. So what it's doing is it's going up to Amazon, it's picking up the Amazon orders and bringing them down for import into Sage. Now we'll bring in the fees. Okay, that's it. So let's go and have a look at it in Sage. So let's have a look at the Amazon Exchange orders first. Let's click on that. And there we are. There's an Amazon order. If I open that up, there's the product, quantity, price, and so on, as well as details in the notes and so on in terms of, Royal Mail or whatever. So let's go and have a look at the fees. So if I go to the supplier account, there's my Amazon account. And if I look at the activity on it, these are all the fees and the refunds that have been brought in over the period. Dead easy. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found that presentation of Amazon Exchange of interest. Please feel free to contact me if you've got any questions, and also to arrange a free trial. Thank you.